In this video, I'll show you how to blur out a photo on your iPhone. So here you can see I've got a picture of a can and I've actually blurred out some of the label, and I'm going to show you how you can do that for free on iPhone real quick. So all you need to do is go ahead and open up the App Store and then just type in blur photo. There will be many apps that appear and they all kind of do the same thing. But the app that I used in the intro was Blur Photo Editor Blur Effect by Touch Blur Effect. Now we can go ahead and download that, and once you open it, it will ask you to either upload a file, take a photo, or you've got a section for your work as well. Go ahead and click select a photo and then choose the photo you want to blur here. And then once you've inserted that photo, you can then choose the type of blur. So blur number 1 is going to be a soft blur, and they will progressively get harder to blur number 3. You've then got like the pixelated blurs, hexagon, and so on. So let's just try number 2. You can choose the size of your brush, and then you just want to kind of like paint over where you want to blur. Now this isn't perfect, but you can get the job done if you go ahead and take your time. You can blur as much as you want. You can change the blurs. So here I'm changing to this hexagon blur and we can blur it that way. You can also increase the size of the brush. So that's how you can blur stuff. Then go to save in the top right hand corner and it will just save it to your camera roll. And that's literally all you've got to do. So here is our image. So that's how to do it. I hope that helped you out.